I come out a black and white coverage. That's why you see me two phone. One a strip and one the right so pan the blood clad fridge. All the fridge supposed to shitty. Cause you a batty fuck you take. Then you could have
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the song. No, play the song.
I wanna stop wash people clothes, you know. I hear a woman come out of the all house, if I run a blood clot Franklin town or Wellington town, you know. I want to go back and make my phone. No look pan dry yet. Go see about dry. Sit down and worry about dry. Can't go like so now, you know, I can't stomach someone come on social media go like una smaddy. I can't read gal docket. I can't read gal file. One of just some bunch of blood clot germs. The boy try to get the state medication, everybody know that. I tell you no. I mean make Shebada buy blood clot good phone, you know. I come out a black and white coverage. That's why you see me two phone. One a strip and one the right so pan the blood clot fridge. All the fridge supposed to shitty. Cause you a batty fuck you take. Then you could have slung pan blood clot fridge and my buy me name out of your fridge. Eh? Because I know Shebada never put on an ounce of weight yet. I know him CRAWNY. I never see Shebada put on a good suit of clothes yet. I come talk about you or your mother and jets and your man a suck. You know something about blood clot me? I should not come adjust onto the blood clot internet. Batty boy. Blame them for the president what's up. I should not come adjust onto the blood clot internet. Below some stinking girl make them blood clot talk. But Shebada, you don't know nobody. Yeah, my all time I get tired play with you. I me stop look on you. Remember you used to ride me back like Shay them. Remember you used to come on and ride me back like blood clot Shay them. And me get tired for play with you. And me get tired for play with you. You bored me. Shebada, you bored Rosalee. You bored me. Moving forward, because I'm not going to keep up for your silly blood clot time. Because Shebada them a silly blood clot, Billy. Because I'm not argue with nobody who can. I'm not argue with nobody who can afford one good blood transfusion. You understand? Me ear, look at me stinky. Me ear, look at me stinky over our live last night. Well, somebody sent me one screen card in my DM. Anyway, I'm going to go over there now. Somebody sent me, look at me stinky over our live last night. Somebody sent me the recording in my DM. Right? I take my local time. I take my local time. And when I take my local time, I'm going to watch it. No, I mean say moving forward. I take my local time and then I take my local time and I'm going to watch it. People, I take my strength. But take my strength and my coverage. My strength and my coverage to sit down and watch it on the screen account. I don't know how I do it. Right? But I take my strength and my time. On the screen card, I'm watch it. Right? You can't see the excitement when you're ready to tell the people them say, man backs down Jakes. You can't so excited like me know you come with in a Shay. Kawa. Me know somebody I tell us. Me know somebody I tell you something about me in a civil garden. Me have an idea. Cock mouth, them say cock mouth kill cock. You talk about you have 4 gal in here tell us, or 1 bitch in here tell us something about me. 1 blood clot bad mind bitch. 1 bad mind bitch in your song. I tell you something about me, 1 bitch. And oh, me have 4 people. Me have 4 people see if you tell me anything. So you in a land of opportunity. And they in a land of opportunity. And still gonna put a camera. Still gonna put a camera up on a girl in Jamaica for what reason? I was so fascinated. What is so fascinating about me that you want to know, Shay? That you put a camera on me? What is so fascinating, Shay? For you have 4 girls in the scheme. But you have 4 girls in my scheme. I want me, Shay, I want to know when I set you up on you. Shay, I want to know when I set you up, hit a nerve and rub you the wrong way. For you have 4 girls in my district have track up on me. Have camera up on me. If me shit out the road, them can call it and say, yes, she don't shit there, so. Then you come tap with your door obsessed. You obsessed. It's all a little bit more, look a bit and fly. Share so your mouth look a bit and fly. He's a feds. Some left water so the feds move. Some left water so the feds move. Eh? Winners watch winning. Winners watch winning. Losers watch winners. Winners watch winning. Losers watch winners. 4 girl you have. 4 girl you have watch me at the feds. 4 girl have nobody's gonna watch me. Me never know, Shay. Me look at you tell me say you have 4 girl and see if you watch Rosalee. Say me shit down the road. Your ear. Me never know. You have to make a ice. Me want to know, Shay, me ask me want to know what is so important. Let me calm down. Because I don't want to be shouting as if. Because she said she bright, you know. But me like sometime, here and there, me take the courage. Still I listen to the old all at screen a card. I should have done yes. And 4 girls not having a sieve. You know, yes. And 4 girls not having, them get the phone call. So you are 4 girls in a my Jamaican. What is so important about me? What is so important about me, Shay? For you to have 4 girls in my district and watch me with your camera. Then you sit on your platform and talk about obsession. Who obsessed with who? Then you spit bucket side of you. Sit down and talk about obsession. And who I watch who? And who I watch who, Shay? He's a spy. And who I watch who, Shay? Because 4 girls having my district watch me now. If me shit out the road, them can't call and say, yes, she just shit and she not wipe her body. Remember tracker you keep her, Rosalee. Eh? You must change the name to Rosalee News. Because if you are 4 girls in here, we're going to tell you something about me. Change your name. Take off Queenie and Spit Bucket. Change the name to Rosalee News. Because everything them there update. What's new? Are you over there talking about, yes, you're well invested in me. If you're a girl who lives in the land of blood clot opportunity, you are too well invested in a poor girl who sleep with rat, ants, and roach. Remember me sleep with rodent. You're too well invested in a girl who sleep with rat, ants, and roach. Too much. I never tell you I was a celebrity. Shay, why you keep track upon me and you not keep the track on Shore and JR? And that more I ask you. Why are you keeping a track on me? And you not keep track on your bumble pussy blood clot picking them? Ask you what them eat today. I don't know. Rosalee come out here today. Yes. My friend, one of me spy them CR. One of me spy them CR. Bitch, why you're crazy? You no mad on social media. You have an obsession over me, Shay. Me no fuck girl. Me no fuck girl. You're not my type. You're too broke. Why would I want to have somebody I watch one girl in her yard? She on her body, she dirty, she fuck her man, and you're not let me go. You're not releasing me. You obsess over me, Shay. You obsess. You understand? Your friend call you about the box. Right? Your friend call you about the box. Your friend never did it. Your friend never did it. And your friend now have no proof. When the people them ask you, say, where's the proof? You get ignorant from the people them. But you don't really have no proof, right? You come with a different type of story. Your story them never run straight yet. Like how you have talk about the box, run the story. Like how you have talk about the box, you run the story. Cause you said that man the box tricks a bad man. Oh, him don't come back to me and him is a bad man. And me up on social media. And me who don't want to take down. And me up on social media. And me who don't want to take down me. And me who don't target it on me. Why him don't come back to me? Cause top shot on the regular 95 in a Shay. Top shot on the regular 95 job. A working class man that goes to work and get paid all 100,000 a fortnight. Now go and put themselves in a problem with people. You understand? So you careful. That's all I have to say. Come here, you not go down on a story. Because what? My baby father and a mascot. My baby father family and a mascot. In my family all about in a scheme. And your bad friend, we say a bad man know that too. So me now go down like that. Right? Me I go tell the people them how you bad mind me. Me there saw me thing I take off. And yes, you and your friend I don't you see Shay, you come talk about it's 4 gal. 4 gal I tell the things, you know. And 1 gal in a CV I tell the things about me, you know. 1 blood clad gal I tell the things about me. And I don't know which one I want character the worst. I don't know which one of the character is the worst. Because the girl we are telling things about me, she know me know she, you know. But probably you know must know some know she. The girl we are telling things about me know she. She knows I knows. She know me know she, because she's a girl who used to see me and you change it. That one look as it for me. She used to see me and say, and come and video me and the things them. I'm back her the fuck up. A long time she careless. Yeah. A long time she careless and nobody not like her in here. Hello, go buy where you buy. A long time she careless. Nobody not like her in here. She sit down up her yard and put her focus on me. 1 girl. And I don't know which one I want to sit my stomach more. I don't know which one I want to sit my stomach more. If I you or she. I don't know which one I want to use dildo more. If I you or she. I don't know which one I want to suck cocky and drink more. You or she. I don't know which one I want to man piss and shit for more. You or she. I don't know which one in a class. You are blood clad she. Everybody business in the scheme she take up. Everybody in the business in the scheme nobody not like her. She take up. Unfortunately, 1 man, them catch 1 man, 2 man having sex last night. It depend fear WhatsApp. That is how chilly she be a long time. She stay so. Me no want them people around me. So your friend and me no want a friend for your friend and it hurt her daily because me no want a friend for her. So now come talk about 4 somebody. 1 bitch. 1 sodomite like you are telling things. We know this. Everybody know the careless sodomite in a Falcon. Me don't know what the problem. I don't know what is the problem with you, me and you. Tony's a bad-minded girl. Nobody's perfect in life, so I don't want to come every day upon blood clot me. I know the stinking girl we have to let things them share. I know the stinking girl we have to let things them the fabricated story. Guys, you know what the problem? Me I wait till you get information about the box. I come put out about the box. And you more get him or your friend we are tell a story, get the information and tell you. More your friend. Where you say I tell the information about me, tell her the information. But still I wait for you. You're stinking, careless, blood clot, wanna be dirty friend. Where them body looks a blood clot good and them a chink. That's why I wouldn't do my body if I'm free. Me wouldn't do my body if I'm free because the shape too good and chink right blood clot out. When the shape too good and live like a Lebanese. When the shape too good and people business on a daily blood clot bread. When the shape too good and people business on a daily blood clot bread. When you need a life. When you don't take your friend a Belgium, you can live some life. And can look some class and some character. If me I get do body for blood clot free, me not take it. Because someone only get a waste of shape. Because me can shape good like your blood clot friend. We're coming at the blood clot star. And I still don't worry about Rosalee Kawa. In a film time, they never make it like me. So you, your friend, bad mind. Your friend, bad mind, Shay, your dirty sodomite friend, bad mind. She bad mind. Your friend, bad mind. Like you. Cause you know, say she have a picture in her blood clot phone, she post. One time, I'm saying no, so the last time I see that picture there, I would have thinking, Nam fuck, lick out, body, suck with, all type of thing. Check them all season, girl. I don't know which one of them are the worst says. If I share, I the girl will tell her things about me. He said, who I put me down people if I ever tell about them? When I hear reputation, none. You say, who I sit down and I tell Shay things about me? When I hear about reputation, none. Them docket, see it here? See them docket here? I don't even know where to start from. But don't even want to go down at them because I know them are germs. Not even potential germs, they're not germs. I say I don't know who for file. I don't know who, if I share, I know how to share and a friend will tell her things about me. TikTok, how to share and a friend living at my district where tell her things about me. I don't know which one of them are the most germs. But the two of them are germs. But one beat one. One beat one. One beat one. One beat one. The two of them are germs. Because you live a foreign. And you sit down by your way, you sit down and land the opportunity. And I worry about a girl with cockroach, ants, rat, a tear blood clot done. Me live in a abandoned blood clot apostle. I only live a foreign way when you can't get free this and free that. And you worry about me. Lands, ants, rat, lizard, whichever blood clot you can crawl upon me in a one. Ain't that's crazy? And take up a blood clot Dutch book, you can't read it. Take up a bomber pussy clot Dutch book, so you cannot read it. Take up a Dutch book and say read the first. Read that one other page, you can't read it. But if you know say Rosalee shit there, so you know. So Shay, you take too much time, you have too much time infested. I don't try French them, I know one of them blood clot language, the language where them speak. You're well invested if you know about Rosalee and not give about your own kids. That's crazy. Dirty whore, you're well invested if you know about Rosalee. And don't go on over your pitney them. Come talk about everything she said shall repeat. Shay, you left a digital footprint on the internet, you know. You said me fuck my mother rumors you run with, you know. Bear ear say. Bear ear say. I saw your ear. You have no proof of it. You have no proof. You left a digital footprint on the blood clot internet. Cause we see when man put out with scandal bag. We see man when man fucking at the blood clot adult pampas. We see a nasty jaw scratcher full of cottage cheese. We hear the woman come talk, so you give a pitney. You send the pitney, you send the pitney come here in a blood clot. England, and she's a complete stranger. You left a digital footprint on the internet. What you are saying about me, you have no proof. You have no proof of it. Shay ever see me there on live I put near upon my eyebrow for gift yet? Shay? Ever see me there on TikTok I put near upon my eyebrow for your money gun? Or a puss or a lion? Shay you see me I gonna lose my eyebrow for money? The whole I don't want to take me down because of kind and the people them not gonna give for no. Shay when me come off a TikTok for your month, them not give you. Cause you don't make people laugh. What is a fun time here? For skin for the put your head up a skin out now. Show the leakage. Everybody can skin out. Nobody no want to see a pussy. You have no class. Nobody no want to see a pussy, Shay. You're careless. You're stinking woman this side of the strong side of you. I see you are wine to man for money. Just to show yourself you're not hungry. You have no class. You ever see me upon my head top ear for your money gun? I want puss, but talk out the ear. I will not now go on just anything about my business. No class. Identify your character, Shay. You don't have none. You're nothing. You and your friend are nothing. It only nothing y'all want to know about things about people. And nothing people no want to know things about people. Stinking Shay. Stinking leaky pussy Shay. Is a nothing bitch like you or your termite friend want to sit down and know about people. I say if you have too much time and want to know about people. What time people business? You wash your pussy yet know people business. You brush your teeth yet know people business. You know nothing. What me here tell right you say? What is the next step? You know about to go to school? Oh you know. She want to go study for bring down Rosalee. When me not give two fuck. Eh? It's a none factor girl. Nothing bitch. Sit down and worry about the next bitch. Cause Shay, me couldn't live in a land of opportunity. Shay, it does rub me the wrong way. I mean, I'll tell you this bitch. Me could never sit down and live in a land of opportunity and I worry about a girl who live in Jamaica. I'm one of the almost 4,000 people. You not agree with me? Oh, would I sit down cause me not live nowhere? Me not have nothing. I sit down and I collect information about me. Every day your blood clot. Pathetic life. You're pathetic Shay. You're just a blood clot fan. You're a fan of me. You're a fan of me. Oh, me can't tell an opportunity and sit down and I worry about a blood clot girl. Where pesticide are run her down in her house. She and my neighbor. My neighbor is rat and roach. And I beat you bad. When I hear about me, when I hear about my name when I hear about Rosalee Shay, me keep your heart beat, skip a beat. When I hear about my blood clot, my heart not start beat. Bam, boom, 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 boom. I say your heart rate to go up when I hear about my name Shay. I say your heart rate to go up when I hear about my blood clot name. You can't come out here now. You put the tip of your tongue. Yes, people, you want you should run last night. Yes, and Rosalee man get boxed down and them people they are bad man and bad to bad. Him should have licked just because just not calling me. The boy say blood clot lick. Me. Cause me not fight war, you know, come na there 9. Me na there Iraq. Me the boy flick. Me not fight war, my love. Cause me have remember April the 20th. Yes, for April the 20th sake, the good clean party. I remember April the 20th. Thank you for the car at girl. So me now go blood clot, run, go lick, no blood clot. Body me I do lie, me I do courthouse. I want that cute. Shay watch Phoenix. Shay watch 15 pound boat. She saw go about work. I saw we beat and teach girl. One vibes in the blood clot building. I saw we beat and teach. Girl, watch cute. I saw a beat and teacher, I saw a angry girl. Shay, me never the boy can't live in a Shay. Him can't lick me. Working class and a working class man and a bad man. Him can't see me and lick me Shay. I dare him. I like how you have 4 girl in. I like how you have 4 girl in here. Pay them for come lick me. I dare you. I mean not me. Me know what me. Me don't want to pretend as if my body. Me know me will defend myself and track and then lie up. Yeah? Me will defend myself and track and then lie up. Don't add her. Add who? Shay can't come here, sir. Shay them if I walk and live in my tracks. Shay if I go take out the digital footprint on the internet. Shay them as somebody. Add Shay where? I'm telling you from last night, it's an iPhone 15 Pro Max me I use. Shay them can't come here, sir. Shay never got to take off the white filter which I use and hide the black bump them on her skin. Shay never got to take off the white filter which I use and hide the black bump them on her skin. She have a long time infection which she not gonna take care of. Go and speak more, you speak your language. Go look something to bitch. Every blood clot you sit on Rosalee, you not get paid. Cause I'm your lady. If me add urban and match me up, me not group up and trace, y'all. If me add urban, me not add urban for trace. Me not remember share them alone trace in a group. Me not groupie. Me never group up and share for cuss her yet. Because share file up on internet. She have a digital footprint on ya. She have a mark of the beast. Me never fuck up on that pampas yet. That is how low you are. And you know, say, I went, she got thief. I don't know what she got to thief. I should do the community service. She fucked the man because she hungry. Remember, she have an ankle bracelet. Like she have some community service she got to do offering. Them a mark of the beast, them a crosses. More show them mess up do. Show them can come on my platform. Say yesterday I show a woman, so she afraid of me, the screen of card, so she afraid of me and I show her woman, what you call it now, graduation picture. Me no want to see the graduation picture, Shay. Me want to see the deacon picture. Me want you to come show the world say a woman was a deacon in a church married that she left to come suck out your hole and lick out your stinking body. Me say, me no want to see the blood clot picture on her body where I graduate. Me want you to show the rubber tail bishop. Me want you to come show say a woman was deacon in a church and she left it for suck pussy. And that me want to see. If anybody can grant it from anything.